The faces in the government may have changed. हिंदी में कहते हैं ना, किरदार बदल जाते हैं, स्क्रिप्ट वही रहती है. So the faces in the government have changed, but Delhi's air hasn't. And for citizens, it feels like the same blame script every winter. It's time that the people of Delhi get a fresh, non-partisan approach to air management. Every time I speak to an Aam Aadmi Party spokesperson, the first answer and the first jumla that they utter is what we did when we were in power and what has happened right now. When do we get a fresh take on this all, a non-partisan take on all of it?
Yeah, although it's a very toxic topic, Kabir, I'll try to bring it down a notch to avoid any kind of alarmism. Since light travels faster than sound, people may appear bright until you hear them speak. One or two panelists here, the oxymoron statements being the case in point here. The only anecdote that comes to mind when speaking about Delhi pollution is my own. A few days ago, I went to a doctor to check how much fever I was running. The doctor incidentally put thermometer in the refrigerator instead of under my tongue and said I had no fever. When I told him what kind of doctor he was, he said that no, he was a BJP fellow. So basically, essentially, BJP is running a Ponzi scheme in Delhi. The P in BJP stands for Ponzi. If pollution is not an issue according to BJP, then why arrest children from India Gate? And if pollution is an issue, then why not listen to its own LG, who said 74% of pollution in Delhi is self-generated and it is solvable. The BJP has to decide if it is a mom or a bride for the bride, or a mom for the bride or a mom for a bridegroom. It cannot be mom for both. The protest by intellectuals was a very clear indicator that the trust of Delhiites in BJP government is now abysmal. BJP cannot give clean water, that's why they built distillery ghats. BJP cannot give clean air, that's why they purge AQI data. Hell, BJP cannot even give security to its own citizens. That's why blast kill innocent Delhiites. Such a simple thing. Since the LG is on record claiming knowledge about how to reduce Delhi pollution, why doesn't he simply, as the Nike ad says, just do it? Just do it, boss. It's as simple as that. BJP, Kabir, you know, I know, everyone, every intelligent fellow knows, BJP deploys the classic Rorschach test. You see what you want to see, even if it's just an ink blot on paper. Because BJP thinks that by triggering an avalanche of stupidity, people will get swept under it. किस मुहूर्त का इंतजार कर रहे हैं बीजेपी वाले? अब तो प्रधान जी भी पोल्यूशन के पिंड छुड़ा के भाग गए हैं. वो तो even himself declaring national high alert yesterday.
Pollution in Delhi, because you have called this fellow and he's talking nonsense.
What is
मतलब
BJP
किन गवार लोगों को आप
Let
बुला
it,
लेते हैं?
let it, excuse Mr. Dhaiya, why
क्या
now
बात कर
you are
रहे हैं?
using words like gawar and all. That doesn't throw good light on yourself as well.
What kind of words was he
That
using
doesn't
for
throw good
Mr.
light
Jha?
on yourself.
What
You
kind
don't
of
want to
words was he
politicize
using
it.
for me and Mr.
You
Jha?
don't want to politicize it. Don't politicize it. You don't do, you do your bit. No, he's an Aam Aadmi Party spokesperson. What do I expect from an Aam Aadmi Party spokesman? He'll have to come out and put the party's viewpoint. No.
Russia-Ukraine war. Are Kabir, BJP, if it claims to be a Vishwaguru who stopped Russia-Ukraine war, why is 56-inch Kagji share unable to stop fires ranging from Rawalpindi to Rameshwaram?
Okay, fine. You know what? Mr. Sharma, hold on. Mr. Sharma, hold on.